Hey guys, it's Gretchen, and welcome back to my channel. After thinking I was never actually going to receive this, finally got my most recent Stitch Fix. And what I mean by I was afraid I would never see it is I believe it sent out December 15th, and I just received it yesterday, which is early January. So I definitely thought that I got lost in all of the mail that is backed up on no one's fault. It's just that time of year. Plus we're in the middle of a pandemic, so stuff's gonna happen. But I was like, well, that may be donezo. But luckily it did show up, and on a Sunday. So yes, my Stitch Fix has arrived. I am gonna call this my January one because I did open it in January, even though it sent out in mid-December. But I will also say this is fix number 45 for me. 45 fixes. Anyway, this month my stylist Caitlin again sent me some great items. She sent me a coat, a top, a pair of pants, a necklace, and a pair of like rain boots. But they're like booties, so you'll see what I mean. I already know which item I'm keeping. I wasn't quite sure about it at first because I do have coats that are very similar to it. But once I put it on, I was like, there's no way that I can not get this. I like it too much. So yes, I am getting the coat. Spoiler alert, I just spoiled it. But that is the thing that I am keeping, but I'm gonna save it for the end since I went ahead and spoiled it. I'm gonna start with the items that I'm definitely not keeping. There were 3 that I was just definitely like, no, and like, no, it's not working. And then there was one that I was like, maybe, but then the coat was just, I couldn't pass it up. So the first item I'm not keeping are the rain boots. They are by Keds, mainstream brand. I have to read the title because it's so long. These are the Scout Splash 2 printed waterproof booty, size 8, and they retail for $85. These were absolutely uncomfortable. I don't know what it is. I am a size 8. I fluctuate between a 7.5 and an 8 depending on the shoe. These were so incredibly uncomfortable that I was screaming to get them off. I don't know if it's just because of the material, you know, that waterproof material, but it just cut into my feet so bad that I could hardly walk when I had these on. They hurt so bad I didn't even tie them up. You'll see in the little try on video that I didn't even tie them up all the way because they hurt so much. They are really cute though. I have to admit, this print is really cute. It's like cheetah leopard print. Absolutely love that. These are kind of shoes that I'd get, like if this were a Converse or something, totally would rock it. Converse obviously are not waterproof, but I digress. But just, if I'm gonna wear rain boots, they're gonna be tall boots. I don't usually go for booties for like rain boots. I do have one pair, they're Sperry's. They're really nice. They don't hurt my feet. So if I'm gonna get something that looks like this, I'd rather it be just a regular shoe and not a rain boot. So I will say, if you are interested in these, maybe go at least a half size up. I honestly don't know what it is. They are 8s and I'm a 7.5, 8. It took a lot for me to get my foot in this. I don't know what was wrong with it. And yes, I did pull out all the stuff in there. So that wasn't it. Aside from that, it's got really long laces. It's got like 2 different kind of laces depending on what you want to lace it up with. So it's got like the wider strap that you typically see on shoes. But then it also has like this rope kind. Yes, the boot is cute, but was completely uncomfortable. So the next item I am not keeping is this necklace by Magnolia Grace. I did get a little confused because my receipt says Bancroft, but the tag says Magnolia Grace. So I'm going with the tag. This is the Maret hammered statement necklace, and it retails for $34. It's a cute enough necklace. I have a necklace that's kind of similar. Didn't get it from Stitch Fix. Not quite sure where I got it from. I mean, this is cute and this is something I would wear, but because I have something already that's very similar to it, I don't want to have 2 necklaces. I don't mind like shirts or something being a little similar, but when it comes to necklaces, there's no point in having similarities like that. It looks good on. This is a nice necklace that I'd probably wear to like work or something like that. If I'm only gonna stick with keeping one item, it's not gonna be this necklace. But it did look good on. So if this is right up your alley, again, it retails for $38. Magnolia Grace. It's cute. I like how little the discs are. I don't know if I like as many as there are. Maybe if there were fewer. I do like it, but definitely not keeping it. All right, this next item. One of these days, it will happen and I will find the boyfriend jeans that I'm looking for. Alas, today is not that day. So this pair of jeans that I received from Judy Blue, these are the Jerri boyfriend distressed jeans. And they retail for $58. Again, feel nice on. They've got good stretch to them. They've got a little bit more distressing to them than the last pair that I got. However, I still do not think these are true boyfriend jeans. Boyfriend jeans to me are like just baggy but form-fitting. This is stretchy and form-fitting. Please tell me that makes sense. Like the difference that I make in there. These have a lot of stretch to them and they are form-fitting still, but when I'm thinking of a boyfriend jean, I think they have a lot of wiggle room in there. There's no stretch, but they're still flattering. Please someone tell me that that makes sense. It does in my head, but I don't know if it makes sense to everyone else. I don't mind these jeans. They're not what I'm looking for, not keeping them. Also, I think I'm obviously getting the terms distressed and destroyed confused. This, I guess, is technically distressed. I'm looking for destroyed. I want holes, which is not good when I wear jeans to work because they definitely don't want to see all the holes in my pants. That's what I like just on a casual day and just going around the house or going out or something like that. I like destroyed. So obviously I need to change my terminology from distressed to destroyed. And maybe boyfriend jeans in my head are not what they actually are. These just don't feel boyfriend jeans to me. Again, these have a ton of stretch to them, a lot of stretch. So if you're looking for some stretch in the waistband, these are a good pair. And they're still form-fitting. And yes, they have a little looseness to them. You can see in the try-on video where I like pull it out from the back side. There's definitely wiggle room there. One pair of jeans that I got, I think it was like Cosmic Blue or something like that was the company from Stitch Fix that I got it from. And those things are destroyed and they are loose, but they are flattering. One day I'll find another pair. But alas, as nice as these jeans are, I will not be keeping them. This next item I was pretty torn on, but I think I'm gonna stick with my one item per fix, unless I truly am over the moon for two things. I think I am gonna send this one back. But this is a really gorgeous black and white striped top from Maret and Spruce. Y'all know how much I love Maret and Spruce, so this pains me. This is the Arnold Raglan knit top, and it retails for $38, so it's only $4 more than the necklace. I really like this top. It is very thin, so you'll see in the try-on video, you can actually see my tattoos through this top. Not very well, so if you're not looking for it, you can't really tell, but I can notice. It is very thin, it's lightweight, it's a nicer one that you can do with layers. I want to keep this top, but I already have 3 black and white striped tops. Can't really justify a 4th one. I just can't. This one felt really good. Now, I could get rid of 1 or 2 of the black and white striped tops that I have. 2 of them are worn out big time. But at the same time, it's just like, do I have to? Just because I like this one? No. So should I? Probably not. So I am sending this one back. I do really like it though. It's very soft. Again, really good for layers. So if it's one of those days where it like starts off cold in the morning and then gets warmer throughout the day, this is a great top because it is very lightweight, very thin, but it still has like that sweaterish feel to it. I do like it. So this one pains me to send back, but alas, I must because I like the next thing way too much. So this item right here, also by Maret and Spruce, so I don't feel too bad for not getting the striped top. This coat right here is the coziest coat ever. This is the Emory Toggle Fleece Jacket. It is in the color Burgundy and it retails for $88, which is a little expensive, but it's also a coat. So for a nice coat, it's not too bad. I love this so much. First of all, the hood is this amazing fleece material. I want a blanket of this and I just want to go take a nap with it. I love the toggle. So I actually just got a coat from Amazon that's a black toggle coat. A little bit more heavier than this one. This one is good for like a chilly to cool day, whereas the other one that I got from Amazon is good for like a cool to cold day. I love everything about this. This is, it's kind of like a jersey feel to it, like that material. This is just a good throw it on you, gotta go walk the dog, throw this on. I love the toggle though. That's probably my favorite part of this coat is the toggle. Also the red. I think it came in 4 different colors because I found this coat and specifically asked for it. Found this one on the like, based on your like recommendations or like your shopping trends or something like that with Stitch Fix. And I saw it and it comes in 4 different colors. I think it came in red, navy, black, I think maybe orange or something like that. I don't remember the 4th color. I know it was 4 colors, but I can't quite remember. I was hoping for the black, but since I just ordered a black toggle coat, kind of glad that she didn't send me the black one. Love the red, obviously. Have to get this one. Now, the reason why I said that I was hesitant to get this one is because I already have, 2 or 3 red coats. I think it's just 2, now that I think about it. I think it's just 2, like, heavy red coats, and then I have a faux red leather jacket, which absolutely love that. Now, I've been considering getting rid of one of the red coats because it's like, who size is too big for me? Like, even if I put on a thick sweater, it's still too big. I have been considering that, which is why I'm like, this is perfect. Now I can actually do that. I don't know why I need so many red coats, but I absolutely love this coat. I will live in this coat. So this is the one that I'm keeping. Love this hood. Fleece feels amazing. Love the toggle. It is a zipper as well, so you can zip it up. You don't have to use the toggles, but once you zip it up, you can just toggle it. Little extra security, and it's cute. Nice pockets. They're not like super deep. Like, my hand can get in there, so I can put a phone in there, I can put my keys in there, I can put a tiny wallet in there or something like that, chapstick, some cash, something like that. I love this coat. So this is the item that I'm keeping for this month. Now, if I could get a blanket with this material, it would be wonderful. All 5 items together comes to a grand total of $303. That's a pretty expensive box, so that is why we don't keep full boxes anymore. If I got all 5 things, 25% off, we're bringing down $75.75. We bring it to $227.25. It's still pretty expensive, so that's why we're not doing that. Since I'm just getting the coat, that is $88. I'm okay with that. I am perfectly fine with that. But yeah, so fix number 45, and I'm really excited about this coat. I do also want to add that if you are interested in signing up for a Stitch Fix yourself, just trying it out, something like that, my referral link is in the description below. If you end up signing up with it, it does give me $25 credit, which goes toward me doing more of these videos, because then, you know, I can have a little bit more fun. Otherwise, it just becomes like an out-of-pocket expense. Let me know what item you dug from this fix, what you weren't feeling so much. Drop them in the comments below. Special thank you to my patrons. You can help support the channel on Patreon while having access to videos early, viewing patron-only content, and more. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big ol' thumbs up. Go on down there and hit that subscribe button, wherever it may be, because I don't know, even though I do. This is just my shtick now. Also hit the notification bell in case you want to know when I upload, and in case YouTube wants to let you know when I upload, because I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys!